my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I am going to be doing a wash day, another wash day, but this video will be basically of me reverting my hair back from straight to curly. Hopefully I don't have any heat damage, anything permanent heat damage or anything like that. So if you're interested to see if my curls come back, please keep on watching. You're starting off on, I would say, 2-week-old hair. I'm definitely excited to go back curly. I'm excited to just be able to deep condition every week and get that moisture back in and be able to shampoo and clean my scalp every week. So I'm ready. So I usually straighten my hair every 3 months anyway to trim. So that's why I say straight hair is leaving, but it won't be gone forever. I'm going to be using my mixture of oils right here. Grapeseed oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I also added this in the Mael oil right here. Oil 2, the Mael rosemary mint oil. That rosemary mint oil is really minty, so. When I tell you, my scalp feels so much better. Ooh. So, and I'm gonna use, I think this is just water, but this is just my water bottle I'm gonna use. Okay, and then I am gonna go in with for a conditioner. I usually use a Curlsmith, but I need moisture in my hair. I'm just gonna focus mainly on moisture because my hair has had too many strengthening products in it. So I'm going to be using and this stuff is super cheap. Like, I love this whole line, but I know the one with Aloe Vera is definitely like amazing. Shampoo, the deep conditioner, and the conditioner are all $5. So here it is right here. This is just the Garnier Fructis Hydrating Treat Conditioner, and this is one with the aloe vera extract, and this is silicone free. It is 98% naturally derived ingredients, vegan formula, no silicones, no any of that bad stuff. So it's super hydrating. I love this stuff. So I'll put this on my hair as a pre-poo. So I see the curls coming back slowly but surely, but conditioners are literally amazing pre-poos, like, because you can use as much of it as you want. You can see my roots are tighter, so I'm nervous, okay. Yeah, so I can say, if you're gonna use heat, just expect that your curls, so some people can strain their hair one time and get heat damage, and somebody can strain their hair all the time and never get heat damage. Just gets the way it is. I know if you stay lower with the heat, you probably won't get it. You'll be less likely to get heat damage, but this is what we're working with. So, okay, they're kind of coming back. Good. It's coming back. We're good, I think. after I deep condition, it usually comes back a little better. So maybe that's what that is. But for the most part, so we have it all set in there. All right, so I'm just gonna let this sit in here for whenever I'm ready to wash it out. We'll be back to shampoo and decondition. All right, so I am back for just a quick wash day. And so I will be using the rest of the Garnier Fructis collection that from the Aloe Vera line. And my curls, they haven't completely come back, but they will slowly come back with consistent deconditioning. So I'm not too worried about it. And so next I'll be using the Hydrating Treat shampoo from the Aloe Vera line. And this stuff is so moisturizing. I do really like this shampoo. And it's only $5. The whole collection is again only $5. Such a great deal. And do keep in mind that this shampoo does have sulfates in it, but it is silicone free. And also I would say the whole collection is vegan formula, which is awesome because this line is just great for anyone who wants to stay on a budget with their hair products, but also wants something moisturizing and also something that is good for their hair and doesn't have all those bad ingredients in it. So I would highly suggest this line. And I have tried some of the other treat lines, but I will say that the aloe vera one is the best. But also I do like the banana one. I think the banana one just had the deep conditioner. But yeah, this one is the best one. And also the coconut one is also a great option. But they all have an amazing scent, nothing overpowering. And especially with this line, it's just a nice fresh scent. And also I will be going in with the Hydrating Treat mask. So this can be used as a conditioner, a mask, and it can also be used as a leave-in. And as you can see, I've pretty much used the rest of it, but I do definitely love this conditioner. It's kind of lightweight, I would say. It's not anything heavy, but it does have great slip. I was able to thoroughly detangle my hair, and this product does have the moisture in it. Now, I wouldn't say it absorbed in my hair completely because I'm low porosity, but it did absorb for the most part in my hair and added that well-needed moisture I needed after my hair was very dry from a lot of protein products. So I did go ahead and twist up my hair, and I left it on for a little over an hour under my heating cap and my shower cap. And my hair definitely did feel moisturized after that. All right, so I just washed out the deconditioner, so my hair is freshly deconditioned. So as you can see, majority of my curls came back. So some places it's obviously a little looser. So you can see right here, right here. So right there, that is the only spot in my entire head where it's almost borderline straight. Curls have always been looser right here. I just don't know why. And as you can see, always in the front, my hair has always been looser. Because as you can see, like in the front right here, it's looser. As you can see, even still, as long as majority of my curls come back, I'm not tripping too much about, looser. I just don't want it like straight. But I do believe that this will, even right here where it looks kind of straight, that will come back eventually with consistent deconditioning. So yeah. All right, so this is like, I would say, this is a couple of days later. So 3 days later, doing a flexi rod set. So I will have a video doing a flexi rod set. It is my go-to style because it's heatless and it's easy to do. So stay tuned for that. But thank you so much. That is the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care. I do appreciate it. And I hope everyone has a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.